Hey, how's it going, everyone? I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. I did want to go over a Sunday night countdown as we are all waiting for this week to come. And I did want to go over about 5 stocks that I do see as nice continuations going into tomorrow. But before we do get started, quick disclaimer, anything we do mention is purely for entertainment purposes. If you guys would like financial advice, I recommend you contact financial professional. However, we have been going play by play, day by day throughout the whole month. And we plan on doing this throughout the whole year. So if you guys want to see more entries and breakouts, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell notification, and you will be notified at a timely manner. And again, much love to everybody that does subscribe. We do go all out Monday through Friday during market hours on entries and breakouts. So again, be on the lookout for more of those. Now we are going to go into our top 5 stocks. In fact, I am going to throw a secret stock in here. I'm going to give you a fifth one because I just couldn't help it. Again, I do like all these continuations possibilities that we have here. Now, PHUN, we have seen has been coming up quite a bit. Again, be careful on this one. This would be a day trade, but if it does hold over 250, on market open by the time it does open on market open on Monday, I do plan on buying this one. Again, if it breaks 250 and holds over 250, I see this as possibly going to $3 or $4 on a nice continuation. So again, I would have a very tight stop loss on a day trade on PHUN as a continuation. And the next one I wanted to go into is NVAX. We do see a descending wedge and a nice bull trend that we had created. And we said if it did break 155, we would buy. And sure enough, we did. Now, we did make another video on it, whether it was going to go up or down, which we're making even another one on this one right now. So we can see what happens here. Now, it has been coming up quite a bit. It did come down on a nice sell off here on a nice consolidation. And it looks like it created a bull trend. Now it's looking like it wants to create possibly higher highs or higher lows. So we're going to let this play come to us. However, I do like the volume behind this and I like the consolidation it has been having all throughout Friday. So I see this as a nice continuation possibility, an easy day trade, in my opinion. If it passes 235, I plan on loading on this one. Again, I have my buy signal for 239 to play conservative on this one as it has dipped quite a bit recently. So I want to make sure we play this one conservative and we don't get candle wick down. What I mean by that is sometimes a candle wick will come up and wick down and it'll just create a bearish trend. So you got to be careful. So again, I'm playing conservative on this one. 239 is my resistance. So I plan on buying when it breaks that. Now, my next favorite play is PDSB. This is a biotech company. I'm going to go in the 4-hour here so we can look at this one overall. As you can see, it has been creating a nice bull trend. It did break our resistance and we did buy into this. Now, this one did have a sell-off as it did want to have a sell-off at 289 and then created a nice green candle on the 4-hour. As you can see, it did break the 289 mark and we are going to see what happens here. It looks like nice consolidation. I do see this as a bullish trend line, and I do see this as possibly breaking out as it has been consolidating for quite a while. So again, PDSB is on my watch list, and I see this as possible continuation. Now, my next one is JAKK. Jack, I do see this as a possible run if it does stay above 820. I am going to go into the 5 minutes so you can see what I'm looking at here. As you see, it has been coming up quite a bit. It did gap up, and a lot of people are curious if it's going to continue. Now we're going to go to the 5 minute as it has been looking nice, as it has been creating higher highs. You can see it is kind of broken up because there's not a lot of volume on these type of stocks, but it is broken up, but it is creating higher highs, as you can see, and it does have less volume than before. So we are going to be careful on Jack, but it does look like it could continue into Monday and a possible day trade in the morning if it does continue to higher highs. So again, Jack, very volatile possibility on a nice day trade in the morning on Monday. Now, INO. INO is another play that's similar to VXRT, which is our last one. I'm going to go into the 4-hour here. As you can see, we have been looking at this one overall. It has been creating a nice bull trend and sold off and created a nice bull trend again. And what I mean by that is on the 5 minute here, as you can see, it has been creating a nice bull trend, sold off, it gapped up, created a nice bull trend. And the reason why I like this bull trend so much is because not only did it sell off, but it gapped up recently. In fact, this looks very, very similar to SPCE before it actually broke out. In fact, let me go over to SPCE for you guys so I can show you what I mean. On SPCE, we did say that it was gapping up and it did decide to break out. It was over here, actually, way down here. It did gap up right here, and we said it does look like it could break out, and it sure enough did and did break out. So again, it's very similar. I'm going to go over to INO again. You can see it did gap up. As you can see, it did sell off, it gapped up, and it looks like it's creating a nice bull trend. And this one could break out again. My resistance is around 1367. If it does break 1367 and hold over 1370, I do plan on holding this one. INO could go crazy again. So again, another one on continuation that could go crazy. VXRT is my last one. Now, VXRT is very similar to INO. It has been creating a nice bull trend, as you can see, and on the 5 minute here, as you can see, and I'm going to go to the 4-hour so we can look at what we have been looking at overall. It has been consolidating for quite a while and is due for a run up, in my opinion, too. So again, with the volume that has been coming in, it does need more volume to keep coming up, in my opinion. So again, we will see what happens. So on the 5-minute, I see this as a possible day trade again. If it does break new highs at 1350, again, this one could go crazy based on the consolidation it has been having. So I do like this as a nice possible day trade as well on Monday morning. Again, be careful. These are day trades. They could become swing trades if they decide to with volume, but for the most part, these are the end of very high volatile stocks that could break out again. So again, be careful on these ones. These are day trades. This is not a recommendation. This is only what I'll be doing. But again, much love to everybody that has been in the comment section as usual. You guys have been showing me so much love, and everybody that's been subscribing, much love to you guys as usual. And I hope you guys are enjoying our entries and breakouts. We have been going all out Monday through Friday during market hours. And if you guys want to see more of those, all you have to do is subscribe, of course. And if you guys have a watch list, throw it in the comment section. Anything on your mind, throw it in the comment section. Hope you guys enjoyed our Sunday night countdown, and we will see you tomorrow, Monday at open, and we will be going crazy as usual. We post about 8 to 10 times per day. So be on the lookout for those. Much love to you guys. God bless you guys. See you guys next video.